everyone, Carol here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add an asset through the Infraspeak mobile app. So go ahead and log into your app, and once you do, if you head on over to the Add New tab, and you can select the first option which says Add Equipment. And now we're basically just going to follow each step and fill it in accordingly. So we're going to start to choose the location of where our equipment is. So we're going to say it's in the smart building bank side, on the ground floor, in the technical area. And now we're going to head on over to the equipment category. So if you click on choose category, you can now select the category that your equipment belongs to. So let's go for HVAC, and we're going to add in a chiller. Then here where you have the option code, you can have more than one chiller. So it is important that you differentiate these equipments and these assets when they belong to the same family and when they're very similar. So you can do so, and you can differentiate these by adding a code. So let's say here you can add 1, 2, 3, 4 as a code. And then if you wish, you can also add an observation. This bit is optional. Then here you're going to have the maintenance policy, which you can either keep it at normal, or if you have a specific policy for this type of equipment, you can go and select it. So we're going to leave that at normal. And then you have the equipment characteristics and the technical information that we can add if we wish, such as the brand, the model, serial number, and so on. Okay. And now we can also upload a profile picture. So if we want to upload a picture of our equipment, we could do so. And all you have to do is click on upload profile picture, take the picture, and link it onto. So I'm going to use that one as an example. And I've successfully added my photo. Once you've filled in all of your necessary fields with all of your required information, you are now ready to add the equipment, and all you have to do is click on the Add Equipment Without NFC tag in the green section, and you have successfully added your equipment. Thank you for watching. Bye.